Oh yeah, what's poppin', everybody? This is what we're doing today. We're going to be cracking open all of these blisters right here on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Alright, so if you like watching our videos, and like I said, we really hope you do, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell on the top so you can get notifications when we upload the newest videos. So let's get to crack-a-lacking this stuff right here, man.
Yeah, so this is stuff we opened up in the we took out of the unboxing.
Out of the case.
Yeah.
Now we're just busting. See, that's the recolor right there, the yellow Momo.
What the one before this was black, yeah.
Okay, well, I never get down. I got the red one.
Yeah, and there was a red one.
Yeah, the red one was the first one.
Yeah, I don't know if I have them all, you know. I am a Momo collector, so.
Oh, you know what? Should I turn that to the front?
Cool.
Okay. I guess from the angle it looked like the black was coming through. Like they didn't spray the front enough to give it, you know, a really bright yellow, you know what I mean? To just make it bold. Like the red really stood out. Like you see the red is like, oh. Like the yellow is nice, but just from that grill. So you know we're gonna have to do, right? We're gonna chrome that.
Chrome it or
paint them.
Just paint them, yeah. The VW logo should be chrome though.
Yeah.
So we'll go and pull out the other Momos.
Red ones and the other ones.
And I can't remember whether if I opened this one or not.
That one was the blue one and the red one.
Yeah.
Now they made a white one.
Yeah. Where are those?
I don't know.
I opened those.
I don't know.
In a case somewhere that I'm missing. Okay, so this is the white version. It's kind of plain, but you know, I like it.
Is there a pearl on that? I can't tell.
I think it is a pearl. Or like a metallic.
Yeah, it looks like more like, because I don't see it changing color.
I think it's more like a metal flake, metallic white. Which is better than just plain enamel white. But
that's pretty plain. At least the blue one was...
Yeah.
Well, the blue and red, they made them all basic. I mean...
Yeah. Well, it's clean because it's their anniversary year.
And plus, you can't get too stupid with this kind of stuff because it just doesn't. If you put the wrong one on, oh, bro, you can't tat up the car. You tat them up the wrong way, you're going to look dumb.
But this one with too much sponsored logos, would it look right? Because you'd need wider wheels, wider fender wells, and then...
Sort of like that Momo back there.
Yeah, sort of like that one. Yeah, that's a good example. Oh, let's see. These are in no particular order, but let's take a look at this.
The recolor of the V-dub.
I think the flat blue one was pretty nice. But I want to see what that one looks like glossed.
The flat blue looks way better.
I think the next recolor on this is black, you know.
Black would be good, but
I
don't know. Red is kind of like eh.
My mom's bug was this color.
Red.
Yeah. Should give her this one.
Yeah.
My dad wouldn't like it. Because it's probably something else she'd want.
But that one is, that one, I don't know. The recoloring that is alright. It's not bad. It's just, I guess when you come up with something nice the first time, you gotta top yourself the next one, or you come up with something junk the first time, then the second one is nice, and the third one is better.
Yeah. Which is opposite of what I remember mentioning was, I think they put out their best stuff last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is
pretty cool.
Yeah.
This one shows well good and looks
I have to say, you chrome the rims on that, look a hell of a lot better, bro.
Oh yeah, probably. But we have a lot of these cool combis we can pull out.
Yeah.
I think there's a white one too.
And what I like about this is the lights and the logo is very significant and it stands out. So easy to chrome and easy to paint.
Oh yeah.
I guess everybody's starting to figure out that we're going into we're going to start going into customizing stuff now.
Yeah.
I keep talking about, hey, we're going to chrome them, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. Like I'm a pro.
So the next one is going to be the Spider-Mobile. Now I have to go find that premium one we opened.
I know, because this one looks, for some reason, it looks better.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I think maybe the paint on the other one was a lot better, but I'm thinking this one right here, I like this one because it's $1. And it looks pretty good, so But again, Spider-Man, he doesn't really have a car because he swings from building to building. Yeah. Only when he's not in the city, then he's gonna need a car because there's nothing to swing on. Like, if he came to Hawaii, there's no way he can live like Waipahu or Ever Beach or anything like this.
He used to go treat it.
Yeah, he'd be walking around like, yo, what's up, a Spider-Man, but how you?
Not enough swing.
Yeah, and then if he lived in Waikiki, he'd run out and eat it. You know what I mean? So,
So next on this...
Do the cop card. Do all the rods last.
I was going to do this one last. Take a good look at that.
Okay.
But maybe we'll do the CRS.
Yeah, first time I seen on Cricks.
Well, this is the recolor. The first one was...
That one is actually nice.
Red? Red, I think.
Was it red?
Yeah.
I just wish they put better rims, but like... I like work for Hot Wheels, so I can go like, no, I don't like those rims. Put these rims on. Like the 7 spokers would be good on those. Those ones are okay though. The gold, I like the gold accents.
Yeah, yeah. This one is nice. I like that. I think we talked in the comparison about the tail lights.
Yeah. That's another thing too. They did the tail lights on that.
This one, and they should do the tail lights. The only thing is, they only did tampos on the rear, I think. Usually they can do 3 sides. They didn't on this one. No headlights.
Yeah.
No side tampos, left or right.
Well, that's because they can do that. Hot Wheels can get away with that.
And they do.
Yeah, they do.
We'll do the Skyline next. This is one that I was almost opened it off.
Oh, dude, I didn't even know that was a Skyline.
Yeah. This is the Ken Mary. You know what? I do have the Super. We'll go dig that out. We'll open the Super too.
Wow, that looks real plain. If I saw a cop car chasing me like that, I probably would trip out and be like, what? You cops?
This is what they look like.
I know. The thing look...
Oh.
In where?
In Japan.
Oh, poor cops. That's an ugly car, bro. The cops in Dubai, bro, they score, bro.
Here's a Toyota Crown from Tomika.
The cops in Japan, they must be all sad. And all the cops in Dubai, they must be like, yeah, I love my job.
But they got some pretty good stuff in Japan.
Well, as far as import-wise goes, yeah.
Well, over there, they're not imported.
Yeah, over there it's just like, what? It's a Skyline, what? You guys have Ford's trucks. No.
Okay, we'll do the muscles last. Let's go to the turbo.
Okay, I banged the screen because I got overexcited. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're trying to figure out, if you look on the card, so I grab the card, and while you're pointing it out over there, I'll point it out.
Here's the card.
This is what we're going to point out, all this stuff. Oh, there's a skull, duh! I was trying to figure out what skull, okay.
Yeah, the only thing is on the chrome, the
hard
features
to see.
aren't, yeah.
Because you can hardly see the fingers, though, like, that's really bony.
Because this one, I mean, they able to accent the separation in the fingers, but
the spaces between
this one
digits.
I think that's easy to fix though, and it would be painting
pinstripe on black. Yeah.
Well, it would be painting the whole thing black and then wiping off the excess, and it'll leave in between black, and that might accent. Like if you look at the close up right now, you look at that face. At this angle, that face is clear, but it doesn't look like this.
Yeah, it doesn't look anywhere near that. That is wicked.
Almost looks like a Kikaida face or something.
No comment.
But not bad. I mean, this is a fantasy model, I believe.
Yeah.
I even forgot which one.
Everybody trying to beat a bone shaker, but ain't nobody beating it.
Turbo Charge is called. So let's look at the Chevelle SS.
Yes.
Let's see this one next. I think this one I would change the wheels. I think.
If you change the wheels on that would be like a serious premium after that.
Yeah, this would, because the color is pretty cool.
What
is this? Dust.
And it has a nice gloss to it. The bumpers are chrome. The grill is chrome. Like, you got racing tampos on there. So, like, all this needs is real riders, and then you're done.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even need no paint job or nothing. But, like, you could probably chrome the scoops on the side grills on the hood. You could probably
these
intakes. Excuse me, I'm banging the stuff again. But yeah, the intakes. If you can chrome you can just go chrome the intakes or paint them black, because that way you can accentuate the hood.
Probably painting them black.
Yeah, and it stands out better.
And this Chevy.
This one get nice flames. I like this one. It doesn't say the year of the Nova, does it?
Yeah, it does.
What was it?
66.
Oh, awesome year, bro. Best ever. Oh wait, so why does that look not right?
What? Oh, it's.
Oh, no. The car that only get one in the case. Oh, it sucks.
So this is gonna be we're gonna have to change the wheels.
So this is another problem, folks. When you open, see, if you keep it in the package, you would never know this. Sell it as brand new cherry, nothing wrong. Now when you bust it open and you see it wobbling like that, we got a wheel stuck up in the well.
Yeah.
So
well, it's a good thing it's not a real car.
Yeah, but the good thing is, it's nice enough to do a wheel swap.
Yeah, it's still salvageable.
Yeah, like you could put a wheel swap on that, and nobody would ever even notice, bro.
I want to show something weird. This is one of the fantasy cars that I opened, and I'm gonna put in the rotate. But I don't know if I didn't notice this, but can you see anything wrong with it?
That looks like this first edition model that came out. There was it doesn't even roll.
The wheels are backwards.
Wow.
Small wheel in the back, big wheel in the front.
Oh yeah.
I didn't notice this until I was clearing up, and I went to roll it, and I was like, "Oh, it's scratching the table," and I noticed that the wheels.
Oh, you got an error.
They're rubbing the bottom.
So. Hey, put them up on eBay for $400.
Well,
or best offer. Would you take 98 cents? Yep.
Oh, cool. Free shipping. Yeah. When you buy this $300 mainline. So we're just going to take the yearbook photo.
Okay.
Or the thumbnail for the video.
All right, so don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends, family, and strangers you meet at the store while you're hunting. Okay, because we are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
And for all you new viewers out there that just stopping by, checking us out, wondering what the hell we about, go check out our end screens where you see links to our previous videos and a video that YouTube thinks you might like, and also one that we think you should watch. So go check it out. We'll be right back.